Hi, my name is Sarah Brown-Schmidt. I'm an Associate Professor of Psychology and Human Development at Vanderbilt University. And today I'm going to tell you about some recent research published in the journal Cognitive Science that looks at how people form common ground in conversational settings. In this study, what we were interested in is the assumptions that you make about the people that you're talking to and how those assumptions influence whether you think that they're understanding what you're saying or not. In studies of conversation, what we find is that conversational partners tend to form common ground for the things they talk about. So if you and I were to talk about a series of things and you were paying attention, I would assume that you understood what I had to say. A key assumption here, however, is that you're paying attention. So on one theory, if your conversational partner isn't paying attention to you, you haven't formed common ground for what was said in that conversation. We aim to test this hypothesis in a series of experiments where we asked research participants to come to my lab, and we had them talk with another person or two other people in a conversation about a series of objects. We're here to do a referential communication task. So what we're going to do is I'm going to describe a series of objects and I just need you guys to point or pick them up. Okay, so the first one kind of looks like it could be the top of a play structure, something you might climb on, and it's red and it's plastic. And yeah, it's like kind of pointy. Awesome. Okay, so then the next one looks like it could be like a tool and it's plastic and blue and you might use it to turn something. Awesome. Yeah, the tool. Okay, and then the next one looks like maybe it snaps onto something. It's got some red things snapped onto some yellow things, and yep, that one. Perfect. Okay, and the next one looks like it could be like a gas line or something. Yeah, that's great. Okay, and then the last one, okay, it looks kind of like the front of a car or maybe like a helmet of some. Perfect. Awesome. So this one, I think we called the tool, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. And then well, this one was the shield, maybe like on the front of a car or something like that. Wow. The shield. Okay, so those are the game toys we're going to be playing with this game. Okay. And the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to have you describe them for me and Emily, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
For you guys to pick up?
Yeah, for us to pick up. Hi, you guys ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Sarah, can you pick up the one that looks like the top of a play structure?
Oh, yep. Mm-hmm. Got it.
Okay. Emily, do you remember the one that we said was a tool? Okay, it's blue. Sort of looks like a wrench. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Sarah, can you pick up the one that has the red snap-on pieces?
I can. Yep.
Okay. Do you remember the one that we said looks like the front of a car?
No.
Okay. Could you get the one that looks sort of like it's like yellow and it's long and it looks like it could be a nope. Yep, that one. Good job.
Awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So what we found was that when research participants named objects like this for a person who had been paying attention before, they used those brief labels like car front. But if they were talking to a partner who had previously been disengaged, not paying attention, they used much longer descriptions. This finding is consistent with the notion that forming common ground requires you to pay attention and pay attention to what your partner is saying to you. Thank you very much.
Forming common ground requires paying attention to what others are saying to you. So put away that cell phone.
And engage yourself in conversation.
This will allow other people to know that you are hearing what they're saying to you. Thanks!
Bye!
See ya!
This work was generously supported by the National Science Foundation.